How to make your first sale with affiliate marketing. If you're someone that's maybe brand new or you've been struggling to make that first sale, maybe you're unsure if this is possible for you and you don't really understand what to do on a daily basis. Maybe you see people posting screenshots and money that they've made, but you really don't understand the process. Well, if that's you, you're in the right place, because what I'm gonna do inside this entire video, especially using my handy dandy whiteboard right here, is I'm gonna break down a formula that you can use to start to make your first sale. And not just your first sale, but once you master what I'm about to share, you can really use this over and over again to promote whatever product you wanna promote. Now, this formula I have personally used the last 10 years, and also tons of my students have used, and it works incredibly well. So the very first thing is you need to obviously have a product or an affiliate program that you're wanting to promote, okay? Now, I have a lot of other videos where I get into how to choose the right product and things like that. This is more about the formula, but I'll share just briefly. I highly recommend you choose a product either in the health, wealth, okay, or relationships niche. Okay, why is this? These products are these niches are what's called evergreen niches, meaning they're always going to be relevant. People are always going to want to lose weight or build muscle. People are always going to want to make money or save money, and then people are always going to want to improve their relationships. So if you use this formula in one of these niches, you're going to be able to continually make money for a long time. If you promote something like a fidget spinner, which maybe you remember that from a couple years ago, people made all this effort and then it went away in a couple of months. Okay, so again, you want to pick something that's going to pay you for the long term. So once you've found a product in one of those niches, okay, we now want to understand the next process. So if you have, let's say this right here is your affiliate offer, okay? So this is like the sales page, okay? So a sales page is basically just a page that's designed to sell the visitor on buying, okay? So now this may be like a long letter, okay, with a lot of writing on it, or it may just be what's called a VSL or a video sales letter. Now this sales page is also going to be your affiliate link. Okay, so your affiliate link that you get from whatever company's products you're going to promote, that link will lead to the sales page. Okay, so the sales page, again, it just has typically a video or sometimes just a long form text sales letter. Okay, and then on this sales page, there's always going to be a buy button. Okay, like this, right? And so your goal is to really get as many people going to this page as possible, because the more people that you see, or the more people that sees this sales page, the more people will see this buy button, and the more people will buy, and then this money, okay, a portion of that money is going to go to you. Okay, so you need to have a sales page. Now, like I said, every company or product you promote will give you an affiliate link. Okay, so you will have the sales page. Now, you want to choose a good product to promote though, because, to share a quick story with you, I went out there and I didn't understand how to choose a good product, right? I didn't understand how to actually choose something that was going to pay me well. So what happened was I was getting a lot of people to go to my page, okay, using some of the strategies I'm going to share in just a second in this video, but people weren't buying, okay? And then what I realized is you need to actually find a sales page that is converting, okay? Converting means if you have, let's say, 100 people, okay, and they go to a sales page, ideally you want at least a 1 to 3% conversion rate, okay? You want at least 1 to 3 people out of 100 to buy. So if you're promoting a sales page that is not giving you those numbers, typically it's not a good sales page. Now, how do you know this, right? It can be a little bit challenging, especially if you're promoting a product or a program that doesn't really give you that information. One hack that I personally always recommend is just look on your Facebook or on YouTube or TikTok, kind of see people that are already promoting products and look for a program that has a lot of testimonials, okay? Because if a lot of people are making money with that, a lot of people are promoting that, chances are you can promote that and make money as well. So let's assume you have found a good sales page, you found a good product and offer to promote that's converting, which, by the way, I'm going to include a link directly below if you just want to discover my #1 favorite affiliate program to promote that actually pays you instant 100% commissions. You can click the link below, but let's say you found one that is high converting, okay? What is the next step? Now, this is where it gets really interesting because this is where the money is going to happen. So again, you have your sales page, okay? And then what we want to do is we want to get people to go to this page, right? But there's a misunderstanding because maybe you've gone out there and you've just posted your affiliate link on Facebook or on Instagram and you've wondered why people didn't buy. Like, why didn't you make your first sale? The reason is most people, okay, are gonna look at that as spam. They're gonna be annoyed if you just spam your links everywhere. You don't wanna do that. Rather, you wanna build curiosity. See, the #1 thing that's gonna wanna get people to go to your sales page or go to your affiliate link and check that out is curiosity. So if you're just, spamming your link, or another problem people have is, let's say I'm promoting a product called, the Income Accelerator, okay? Income Accelerator, okay? Right? Just made that up off the top of my head. That may actually exist. If not, that's an incredible name for a product, by the way. The Income Accelerator, okay? Let's say that's a product. What you don't want to do is you don't want to start promoting this product and talk about, hey, you need to join the Income Accelerator, okay? Here's my link. You don't want to post all that because there's no mystery. People will literally just see that name of the product on your Facebook and go, oh, he's promoting or she's promoting the Income Accelerator, okay. And then they'll just research it on their own, maybe see a negative review from someone that joined and didn't make any money, and then they'll never go to the link, okay? So instead, we wanna just talk about the benefits, okay? So like, for example, with the link below, with what I'm promoting, I talk about the fact that you can get paid instantly. It's 100% commission, right? You get copy-paste ads that are done for you, but I never tell you what it is. So the only way you can figure out what it is by going to the link. Okay, so the only way people can figure out what you're promoting is by going to your link, and that's what you want to understand. So what do? Well, we need to start getting clicks to our affiliate link. This is what's called traffic, okay? And I'm not talking about, stoplights and cars in the street. Traffic online is just visitors, okay? So we need to get people going to our sales page. But how do we do that in a way that's easy, quick, and doesn't take more than about 30 minutes a day? Because I don't know about you, I don't like working hard and I don't like working long, right? So how do we do this? Well, what you want to do is you want to understand that people, okay, are everywhere online, okay? People are everywhere. And if you get people to go to your sales page, you're going to make a lot of money. So Facebook, okay, Instagram, Pinterest, okay, TikTok, right? These places have tons and tons of people on them. Now, you may have tried to promote on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on TikTok, etc. And you're thinking, okay, this is great, but how do I post, right? What do I do? Well, I'm going to share with you the 2 types of posts you need to be posting if you want to make the most amount of money and get the most amount of traffic and visitors to go to your link, okay? There's 2 types of posts. #1, okay, I'm going to put it here. #1 is testimonials, okay, or what I like to call proof photos, okay? Testimonials or proof. What you want to understand is most people are skeptical, okay? Most people, you can think about yourself, most people are very skeptical when it comes to joining or buying a program. So what you're going to do is you're going to actually be posting testimonials on your Facebook, on your TikTok videos, on your Instagram, okay? Wherever you're promoting, you want to be posting proof, okay? If you go to my Facebook profile, okay, or if you go to my Instagram, I'm constantly posting proof on my stories, on my profile, because this gets people curious, and this also breaks down their #1 objection, which is, oh, this doesn't work, right? I can't do this. Well, when they see people from around the world, all over different backgrounds, succeeding with that product, they don't have that objection anymore, and they're going to be more likely to join you. okay? So you want to post testimonials. Now, how do you find testimonials? Well, this comes down again to joining a good affiliate program, because if you're not joining a good affiliate program, they're not going to have a lot of testimonials. So what you can do is you can join a good affiliate program and then go into the Facebook group of that program. And if it's good, all the members are going to be getting results. Okay, now this works in health, wealth, and relationships. If you're promoting a weight loss product, you want to join a program or a product, to promote that has a lot of people losing weight or building muscle, whatever the benefit of that product is. If it's in the make money online niche, you want to join one that has a Facebook community of members crushing it, making a ton of money, because then it's very easy to just go in there, download a lot of those testimonials and just start posting them on your social media. Okay. And then whenever someone asks you for information, they comment on your post or they respond to your story. Hey, what is this? I'm interested. Then you just send them to your affiliate link. Okay. Also, okay, that's the first type. The second type is value. Okay, a value post. Now, these are the two best posts that I have found to get tons and tons of traffic, tons and tons of sales over and over again, testimonials and value. Now, what is value? Because if you're kind of new to marketing, or maybe you've heard this word thrown around, I remember I used to hear it all the time, value, post value. What does value mean, right? Value is basically just valuable information to your target market, okay? So it depends on your niche. Going back to it, remember I said you could do health, wealth, or relationships. Whichever one you pick, you want to be sharing valuable information to that niche, okay? So for example, using a real example in this video, I'm in the make money online niche, okay? I want to help people that are like beginner affiliate marketers, or people that are just starting. They want to build a business. They want to make money without working hard or with a lot of effort. So I'm going to post videos, okay? And this doesn't just apply on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, but I'm going to post content, let's say this video, that is teaching valuable information on how to make your first sale with affiliate marketing. Okay, so the only people that will watch this video have probably not made their first sale, or maybe they've made a few, but they want to make more. So I'm attracting people to me that are interested potentially in going further. And when they go further, that's when they buy the product that I'm promoting and they go through my affiliate link. Okay, I hope that's making sense. Value. So again, if you're in the dating niche, you can create blog posts solving problems that people have when it comes to dating. Okay, how to find, the right place to go on a date, how to meet your ideal mate in a nightclub, or how to, whatever it is. You want to be sharing value. Now, how do you find what to share? Because that's another question people have. Well, okay, I want to post valuable things, I want to do that, but how do I actually know what to post? Well, you can simply go to, blogs in your niche. You can look at other people's videos. You can look at other people's, articles, and just kind of curate that information and put it in your own words, okay? Because there's no real new information out there. It's all just people putting the same information in their own words, so you can do that same thing. So again, these two posts are what we're gonna be doing on Facebook, what we're gonna do on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. Now, based on the platform, the mode of communication is gonna be different, okay? So on Instagram, you may do testimonials and value in a photo, okay? On TikTok, this is gonna be more in a video, okay? So you may do a video telling about, hey, I'm so excited, Janice just made, $600 today in our program. I'm super excited, Or you may do a value, hey, in this video, I'm gonna share 3 tips to lose weight fast, right? And then blah, 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 you share the tips. So it does not matter, but people are everywhere on these social media sites, and you wanna start giving testimonials and value. And then what you wanna do, and this is crucial, and this is where I see people go wrong with this formula, you wanna give a call to action, okay? A CTA. A call to action. What does that mean? That's when you tell people exactly what to do, and you want to do that in all of your posts, okay? Whether it's a story, whether it's a video, you always want to tell people at the end of it, if you want to learn more, go to my link. Okay, we're constantly directing people to our sales page. This is the whole point, okay? Because if you're not getting people to go to your sales page, you're not getting people to go to the buy button, you're not getting people to buy, and you're not going to be making money, because whenever people buy with affiliate marketing, we make a portion. Okay, if it's good, it's going to be 50+% of that money back to you. So you want to get as many people going to this as possible. And again, we do this by posting on these different sites. Okay, and a call to action is just, again, something like this. So let's say I do this video. Let's say I'm sharing, value on how to make your first sale with affiliate marketing. I could easily say something like, hey, obviously I can't share everything in this video. If you want to learn more, go to the link below. Okay, so something like that is directing people to the sales page. Now, the last thing is following up. Okay, this is big because most people, they don't realize follow up. The fortune is in the follow up. Okay, following up is sending people back to this. Okay, because most people, and think about yourself, most people do not decide to buy right away. Most people don't see a video in front of them. They feel that strong urge. They want to rush over to their credit card, swipe it and make a buying decision. Most people don't decide to do that right now because they need more time. So what you do is, and there's two ways, there's manual, okay? There's manual, right, with my amazing writing. And there's autopilot follow-up. Okay, now I can hear you from behind the screen say, what's the autopilot? What's the autopilot? This is obviously my favorite. This is what I focus on. If you're brand new, okay, you could start with manual. Manual is where you just, whenever you send someone to your link, you write down their name. 2 days later, you follow up. You message them, hey, I sent you the link a couple days ago. Did you get a chance to look at it, right? We want to follow up with them. Autopilot is where, rather than sending people directly to a sales page, you would send people to a page here, capture their email, and then send to the sales page. So we capture their email first, now we have their email address, and then it sends them to the sales page, and then we can actually follow up through emails, okay? That's, it can be technical to set it up yourself. Now, there are programs out there that will give you a done-for-you, high-converting funnel that will literally capture your prospects' emails and follow up for you. Again, if you want to find out more, you can go to the link below. But that's basically the formula, okay, to make your first sale. And then you just keep doing this until you make your first sale. You keep posting testimonials, you keep posting value, you send people to your link, you follow up, and ultimately you will make money. Okay, this is the formula every single successful affiliate marketer is doing. And I really hope you got value. If you did, be sure to smash the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'm going to be posting daily videos sharing much more information. Also be sure to go to the link below, again, if you want to discover how to actually get all of this pretty much done for you and get training on much more information on how to post on these different sites. Go down to the link below. Until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.